What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about cannabis. Not the real cannabis, but the cannabis industry. Specifically, 3 top stocks that I'm looking to buy next week and make trades on. I think the next week is going to set the stage as far as are cannabis stocks going to continue to go up? Are they going to trade flat, or are they going to go down? I think this upcoming week will be a big week for cannabis stocks and set the trajectory for the rest of the year. Now, with that being said, my name is Tyler. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button and the subscribe. The subscribe is in the watermark in the bottom right hand corner. Don't miss out on any of these videos. And with that being said, let's get on into it. All right, guys. First stock we're going to look into is Sundial Growers. Now, this is a smaller company. It's the smallest of the market cap companies we're going to look at. And mind you, the market cap is take all the shares outstanding, add them up, put them together, and you will get the market cap. Get into the technical analysis with Sundial Growers. So we can see that the 52-week high is 95 cents. There was some prior support around 47 cents. In the 47 cent range, it has been consolidating for about a month now. So we're looking for a breakout up, or we're looking for it to go down. I don't think it will continue to trade sideways like this. We have some healthy buy and sell volume. I'm looking for some buy volume to come in Monday for anticipation of the inauguration and the new bills coming up and the talk in Congress about legalization. As we can see on the RSI chart, it is almost an overbought territory, but I am not concerned about that. I really don't care about that. That means nothing. This is a hype play, nothing more. I want to be clear. I do not think this is a long-term investment for me personally. It could be for you. Always do your own research. That's why you don't listen to people on the internet, because I'm not with it. Maybe you are. Nothing wrong with that. We can agree to disagree, but there is a good trade here. I do see the trade aspect of this. This is how I plan to trade it. Look, the April 16th contracts, the calls, $2 strike price. I have a $2 strike price. I think this will get to $2 by April. So I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm going to buy a couple of these $2 calls at 18 cents, hopefully Monday morning. And that's how I'm going to play this. Do your own research. Let's get into the next one. All right, guys, the second stock we're going to be looking at is Aurora Cannabis. Aurora Cannabis has a $2.02 billion market cap. Not too crazy. You can see it does even look like on the Robinhood chart, it is primed for a pop or a drop. So be watching for that. But let's get on over to Webull and do some technical analysis. It looks like, as you can see, it was a straight just waterfall down. That's what I'm going to call that, a waterfall down. And then boom, shot up right after Biden was confirmed to be the next president. It was $14.48. It peaked out and then came right back down, and then it's been on a slow uptick and then right back down, the same waterfall effect. And then around the first of the year, it started ticking back up, and it's been steadily ticking back up. I think the cannabis sector will be good next year. I think after Biden's inauguration, though, we are going to be looking at some massive buy volume, like we got back here in November, right after the election, guys. November 5th, literally, that was the first huge green candle. And that's when the cannabis industry started going crazy again. So we've seen some stupid, mad buy volume around here in November. Kind of chills out, more volume, and then it is flat through December 7th to the 5th, January 5th. And then we're starting to get more volume here. I'm looking for some green candles, just like after Biden won the presidency. That's what I think is going to happen. As far as playing the stock, it looks like I'm probably going to be just playing options on this one too. I will probably, I gotta look at the prices on these, but I'll probably do shorter term because I think it's gonna go crazy. I'll probably do February 19th. These $20 calls look pretty good. It still is far out the money, but I think this is gonna move big, and that's all I'm looking for. I'm just looking to play, looking for the price action. The third and final company we're gonna look at is Hexo. And the reason I chose these companies is because I think they can move the most out of all of them. They have the lowest market caps, and they're names that people know about. Besides SNDL, that one's more of a newer one. It's it's an older company, but more people know about it recently because it is a penny stock, and penny stocks are doing well recently if you guys have not seen. But this market cap on Hexo is 774 million, which, if you remember, SNDL's market cap is 705 million. So essentially, SNDL has 10 times more shares than Hexo. So that's the reason why I definitely wouldn't buy shares in Hexo, is because at any moment they could come out that they are selling more shares and raising more shares. I doubt they would do that until after this whole cannabis hype dies down a little bit, because they want the stock price to go higher. You know, that's the reason to be on the stock market, is to raise shares and raise capital and expand the business. In the end, it ultimately trickles down to the consumer. In every industry, you can thank the stock market for how advanced we are today and all that. That's a topic for a different video. I don't know why I'm going on about that, but Hexo, as we can see, it has been popping, but this is on the Robinhood, so I'm going to take it over to the Webull for some better technical analysis. Let's go on over. Actually, I didn't even type it in. Hexo. Yeah, as you can see, this has had a way bigger pop. As you can see on the RSI, it is in way oversold territory compared to the other ones that were almost at oversold territory. But you can see just flat volume back here. This was in September, and then October, and then boom, November, the inauguration. The 5th was the first big green candle, the 6th big green candle, and then it came down a little bit, kind of flattened out, lost volume. Volume comes back in early December, goes up, comes down a little bit, flattens out, and then now it's just been running up and running up. I think this one is primed to go even higher, guys. I think this week the whole cannabis industry will go higher, but I think Hexo has a better chance of going even higher. As far as a play and how I'm going to play this, I think because it is so overbought and it is so high on the chart, you can see Robinhood looks a little, you could tell a little better, but the 1 year, it is way up there. It is completely shot up from its low December 31st at $3.68. It has essentially doubled. So the way I'm gonna play this too, this would be even a shorter term, the shortest term possible. February 19th should be able to get some decent premium if we get a good move, and I could snag these $10 calls at $55, the same price they are now. I'm going to jump on it, and that's how I would play this. And then I would probably look to ghetto spread them probably the same day and ghetto spread the 11 and just give myself a little spread and take profits and not have to worry about when it's gonna come down, because it is gonna come down. I wouldn't personally buy shares at this price. I imagine they're gonna come out and raise more capital. So with that being said, that's how I'm playing the cannabis hype. Especially this week is going to be big. I would like to know how you guys are playing it, and I would appreciate it if you guys would let me know in the comments. If you like this kind of content, I wanted to make this video short and sweet and fast as possible. There's some other videos I want to make, but if you like this kind of content and you want to see more of it, hit the like button, subscribe, and like I said, hit me with a comment down below. Check out the Discord link and the Instagram page and all that. That's all in the description. And I hope you guys have a good day, good night, and peace out.